What if the most powerful weapon in the world came with a do not use button that the Pentagon wasn't allowed to press? Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, just drew a definitive line in the sand against the US government, and his reason should terrify every single American. We are currently witnessing AI move at a breakneck speed, doubling in computation power every 4 months. This isn't just progress, it's an escape. The technology has already escaped the intent of our laws, leaving the Fourth Amendment vulnerable as domestic mass surveillance becomes a technical reality that our legal system wasn't built to handle. The real danger lies in the potential push for fully autonomous weapons. Machines that could fire without any human involvement. Amodei warns that current AI is nowhere near reliable enough for this level of lethal autonomy. He points to a basic unpredictability in the technology that has not yet been solved. In a combat zone, AI lacks the common sense of a human soldier. Without that human judgment, the machine becomes a wild card. It could target the wrong person, shoot a civilian, or cause catastrophic friendly fire incidents. We are essentially handing the trigger to a system that doesn't understand the weight of a life. This isn't just a technical glitch, it's an oversight nightmare. If we move to weapons that fire without human oversight, you vaporize the chain of accountability. If an army of 10 million drones is coordinated by a single algorithm, who is held responsible when things go wrong? We are removing the necessary oversight of human soldiers making life and death decisions. The pace of AI is getting ahead of the law, and once that chain is broken, there is no one left to answer for the consequences on the battlefield. We are entering an era where life and death decisions are being reduced to an algorithm's best guess. This is more than a corporate dispute. Dario Amodei risked his company's future for a principle no mathematical model would ever choose. Humans like him do the opposite of pure optimization, and that costly refusal is what has kept humanity alive through every previous arms race. Economic models, game theory, evolutionary algorithms, none predicted or preserved this behavior. Here are the 3 human Moat takeaways. Keep the kill switch human. Because once final lethal authority goes to code, the refusal to optimize disappears forever. Protect the space where humans stay irrational. It could be art, philosophy, family, moral standoffs like Amodei's, or we starve the creativity that made AI possible. Measure success by human optionality, not GDP or compute. After all this power, do ordinary people still have real choices about how they live, who they love, and what principles they're willing to lose everything for? We face a fork, a future where we live together with meaning and trust, or one where we slide into survival mode. The choice isn't inevitable, it's ours. What do we actually want to optimize for? Subscribe to stay human.